Hi, I'm Mandy from Chainguard. I'm going to show you how to securely extend your Chainguard container images with additional packages using custom assembly, a new feature now available in GA. We consistently hear from our customers that they need to customize our standard images to meet the specific requirements of their organization or application. Sometimes an organization needs to include additional packages across all their images. Think monitoring tools like FluentD. Other times, teams require specific utilities for entry points and health check scripts, like JQ or curl. There are even times that teams want to run side-by-side processes, like MySQL, inside the same container image as their Java application. Sometimes they even want to build a kitchen sink images that includes Java, Node, and Python to support their application needs. Custom assembly allows our customers to create customized container images tailored to their team's unique needs without relying on manual brittle workflows like multi-stage Docker file builds. Simply select the additional packages you require in our UI or command line utility, and Chainguard will continuously build and maintain that image for you. Every image customized with custom assembly is guarded under our CVE remediation SLA. Now let's take a look at how this works in practice. Here's the Chainguard console where I'm logged in and viewing my organization images. This dashboard shows me all the images available to my account, including those customized using custom assembly. When I click on one of these images, you can see I have a Customize Image button in the right-hand corner, and clicking that button takes me to the Custom Assembly menu. I'm given the name of the image, in this case JDK, along with its address, and the image it's derived from. This provides a list of packages in our private APK repository that are available to my account, including those that are available as part of the base image. This is where I select the packages I'd like to add to this image using custom assembly. I'm going to create a kitchen sink image and install Node and Python in addition to the JDK that's already installed. And I'm going to throw in bash so that we can exec into a running container and see that we have the additional packages. Once I've made my selection, I click Preview Changes. And at this point, it's important to take note of any warnings, as adding additional packages could change the security posture of your image, and additional testing is recommended. I'm going to apply these changes, which will initiate a build for every variant of that JDK image, and you'll see I've already got a new build kicked off. These are some old builds that I've been running. I'm going to grab one that's already populated to show you the details. It'll show you what tags that applies to, as well as give you a log file, which can be useful if you're troubleshooting. So now we have just added additional packages to the JDK image. We've added Node, Python, and Bash. And so let's go over to the console, and I'll pull this image locally using its SHA. So now that the image is built, let's pull one locally using the SHA. I'm going to paste in this command so you don't have to watch me type. And now let's modify this command to run that image. I'm going to modify this existing command and do a Docker run. I'm going to add a new entry point and give it bin bash, which wouldn't work in the base JDK image that this custom image was built from because it didn't contain bash. But as you can see, I can run this image interactively, and I'm in a bash prompt. You can see I've got Java installed. I've got Node installed, and I've got Python installed as well. So we've got the JDK installed as part of the base image, and Node and Python and Bash, which I added via custom assembly. And that's all it takes to create and use a tailor-made Chainguard image with the exact packages your team needs. If you're interested in trying custom assembly, check out our docs and reach out to our team if you have any questions.